Hey guys, I am here to check out my Threadbeast box and see what kind of clothing goodies I've got this month. Threadbeast is a subscription box service where basically you go on their website and you fill out a style profile, and then the stylist gathers your vibes from the answers and then puts some clothing options in a box and sends them to you, and then you don't have to go to the mall. Sounds pretty easy, so I'm excited to see what's in the box. Let's do it! All right. First of all, they got these cool stickers. I got a water bottle that these stickers are gonna look great on. Okay, this is cute. We've got a bucket hat from Huff. Y'all know I love a bucket hat moment. This t-shirt from Banks Journal, like a floral kind of moment. This is like good for summer. We got this green striped moment from Stussy. I can see myself like going out to dinner and wearing this. This is like a fun night out shirt. It's a Dennis Rodman sports jersey from Market. This is definitely my kind of personality. This button up from Junk Food Clothing. This is like dinner in a movie. Pants, some staple black jeans. Black kind of goes with everything. And the material is like really good. What is this? This backpack from Raw Gear? This is it. Now look at me, I'm ready for the adventure. Huge thank you to Threadbeast for sending me a big old box, and you guys make sure to check them out. They're definitely gonna make your life a little bit easier and a lot more fashionable and stylish.